All right. So again, good evening and happy Tuesday. So who here nakasama namin nung day 1? So kahapon lang to. Type day 1 in the chat. Let me see, let me see. Present ulit. Ariane. Very good. Awesome. And who here is excited to be back for day 2? Type 2 in the chat, please. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Ayan. Very nice. Now, sino naman dito ang nakatapos na ng mga assignments nila for day 1? Right? So, type 3 in the chat. 3. Ay, very good talaga. Mga sobrang excited nga. Let's see. Pero sino naman here ang mga hindi pa nakakatapos? Type 4 in the chat. Let's see, let's see. So thank you so much for all of your answers. Naman for those na mga hindi pa nakatapos, don't you worry, all right? Because we have the whole week to finish it. Pero wag kayong magpapatalo, okay? Kasi again, meron tayong mga progress group dito. So make sure din sa mga members or sa mga captains, mga progress captains natin, make sure na nakakahabol yung mga team members natin. Okay? And so, kahapon, you were able to have your onboarding call with Coach Darla. My name is Tara, or Iti Tara. I'm one of the assistant coaches here in Funnels Mastery Academy. And tonight, what we're going to do would be, or what we're going to discuss, would be more on your niche and your profile optimization. Yan. Sino excited dyan sa paghanap ng niche nila and also pag-optimize ng kanilang profile? Type me in the chat if you are excited. All right. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Thank you so much for your answers and thank you so much dahil nagpa-participate kayo. It gives me more energy to also deliver this for you ng energetic kasi nararamdaman ko yung energy nyo. Kaya yung energy ko, ita-times 2 ko din. So okay lang ba na pag nakikita nyo rin na na yung energy ko, it's because yung energy mo din baka bumababa. Okay lang ba na pataasin pa natin yung energy? Yes? Yes? Yes. Ayan. Thank you. So thank you so much for being here on starts with the letter T. Time. Thank you, Joy. So thank you so much for being here on time. I know it's a Tuesday night. Maybe some of you, mga nagano pa, mga nagbabiyahe pa, or maybe some of you, mga kakauwi lang. But you chose to be here. You chose to be present for yourself. So congratulations. Okay. And so for tonight, again, we're going to talk about niche and also profile optimization. Yan. So with this one, sino na ba dito naka-receive nung email? Nung kanilang access for the day 2 video. Can you type 1 in the chat if you received it? Ayan. And sino naman dito ang nakapanood na nung video? Type 2 in the chat. All right. But who here, ay may balloon. But who here needs guidance pa sa video? Type 3 in the chat. All right. Thank you so much for your honesty. I love it. I love that you're participating. I love the energy. And with that, we're actually going to show you later yung video ulit. And then we will have a Q&A session. All right? So in the Q&A session, we're just gonna open the chat. Pag may mga questions pa kayo, especially about your niche and profile optimization. And also, let's see what else. All right, I think we're good. But before that, of course, before we start, I know some of you just met me, especially yung mga hindi nakasali ng 3DFC. Right? Sino dito yung mga nakapag 3DFC? Type 1 in the chat. So, kilala nyo na ako. Yay! So, sino naman dito ang sa webinar lang nanggaling? Type 2 in the chat. Alright. So for those who came from the webinar, yung mga galing sa ETFC, okay lang ba? Magpakilala lang ako saglit sa mga nag-webinar. Is it okay? Denmark and AC Tara, Miss Jollibee. Ayan. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this time to also share a little bit about myself. So again, my name is Tara. I'm one of the assistant coaches here for tonight, and they call me it's Tara for short. So usually, what I do is I also work with a lot of students inside Circle, and then comment on and also provide some guidance on what to do next in your activities. Right? So mas makikita niyo ako present in the Circle community. So far, hindi niyo pa nakikita lahat ng mga channels, right? But after the onboarding week, makikita niyo na lahat ng channels at makikita niyo lahat ng participations of the community as well. And one of the things I also love doing and also love seeing is everybody just wants to help each other, right? And just like me, I really want to help you grow inside FMA. So with that, let's start with the day two onboarding. Yes? Yes, yes. Let's start. Okay. So let us start with sharing muna ulit yung ating video. We'll watch it together. And then after that, we will take a look at your questions in the chat. And also, we're going to introduce you to the niche bot. All right. So magkakaroon tayo ng live demo for that. Okay. But for now, let's do the video. So shall we start? Go.
Hey there, welcome to day 2 of your FMA onboarding journey. We dive into the I am so glad that you're here. Today, we are going to get really clear on your niche and make sure that your Facebook profile reflects that. By the end of the session, you will have a niche statement ready, a Canva cover template to plug it into, and third, a few tweaks to your Facebook profile to make it easier for others to see what you're focused on. Let's jump right in. This is day 2 of your 7-day onboarding week here in FMA, and today we are going to focus on your niche and, of course, optimize your profile. First things first, let us make sure that we are on the same page when we're talking about a niche. A niche is not just about who you want to work with. It is basically who you help, the problem you solve, and the result that you deliver. When you get clear in this, people will immediately know what you're focusing on, and connecting with the right people becomes so much easier. Let's discuss further. So when we talk about a niche, it is essentially the combination of a specific service that you offer and the market or audience that you serve. Think of it this way. Imagine we have 2 stores. One store sells general ice cream, like the usual flavors, and the other is a specialty store that sells special ice cream. While the general store can attract all types of people, the specialty store will attract the ice cream lovers. And these are the people who are willing to pay more for quality ice cream and a more curated selection. And the specialty store needs to know their audience, know exactly what the audience are looking for, and meet their needs better. So when you're creating your niche statement, you have to specify 3 things. First is the service. And your service is what you specialize in providing, and that is basically funnel design. You can make this more specific by deciding on what type of funnel you can focus on. Second, what is the problem of your audience? So you need to know why they need your service. And in return, you have to know what is the result that you're going to give them. And the third one is, of course, the audience that you will be serving. You have to be specific with this. Now, I'll be giving you a formula that you can use so that you can create your statement right here, right now. This is the problem-based niche formula. And it goes like this. I help who, which is your target market, who struggle with their problem to achieve the result using how, which is going to be your service. So let me give you some examples. Example 1, I help burnt out freelancers, which is your market, who struggle with inconsistent clients. That is their problem. Now, the next one, to attract premium leads. That is the result. Using done-for-you funnels, which is the how. Let me give you another example. I help busy course creators, that is the who hate tech. That is the problem. They do not like tech at all. Set up simple automated funnels, that is the how. That is what you're providing them. That bring in leads daily. And that is the result. So you just have to make sure that those 4 things are present in your statement. But then again, why is it important? First reason is that specialization creates authority, especially now that there are a lot of freelancers. Being a generalist is a disadvantage. When you specialize, you position yourself as an expert. Just like when you need an operation, would you go to a general doctor or a specialized surgeon? And that is the same when you are providing a service. Second reason, it will make marketing easier. So when you are focusing on a specific niche, your marketing messages become clearer and more effective because you know who you're talking to and they know that that content is for them. And third, higher rates. Clients are more willing to pay more for specialists and they have peace of mind that you can deliver the results that they are looking for. But I know what's in your mind right now. Coach, do I really need to choose a market right now? Maybe you're thinking of just targeting general business owners. And I get this a lot, so no worries about that. Short answer to this, yes, technically you can start with the general market. But again, here's the thing. If you're not talking to a specific person, then you are talking to nobody. So what I suggest is make a decision right here, right now, and focus on that. Now, I know you have another question. What if you change your mind? And yes, you can absolutely change your market anytime and any day. You are not going to marry your market. You can change this after 30 to 90 days. Now, let me give you some criteria that you need to check when you are deciding on your market. First is you have to clarify your non-negotiables. This is where most beginners go wrong. They start with asking which market has the most money. But the first question should be, who do I really want to help? You can ask yourself these questions. What industries or topics excite me? What type of person do I want to talk to every day? Do I have a certain experience or exposure to this market? And the last thing and the most important thing is this market aligned to the values that I uphold. Step number 2, you have to assess profitability. This is a business, not a charity. Yes, we want to help them. Yes, we want to have a purpose, but we're also building a business. So when you're choosing a market, ask these questions. Can they pay me? Are they actually paying for services like mine? Here are 3 signs of a profitable market. First, they have a clear business or business model. Second, they already pay for tools, coaching, or support. And of course, they have other people working for them. Step number 3, you have to check for pain and urgency. You have to make sure that this market actually has a pain that you can solve. You can ask these questions. Now, here are some signs that tell if a market is in pain. First, they say that they need help with leads and sales. They might be also asking for funnel automation urgently, or they have already tried solving it but they failed. Fourth, they are willing to hop on a consultation. And fifth, they are already in Facebook groups about funnel, about leads, about sales. It means that they have a problem and they are actively looking for a solution. Where can you see them? It could be in Facebook groups, it could be in TikTok, they could be in YouTube comments, Reddit threads, and of course, during webinars, those who have questions, you could actually connect with them because they might be your next customer. And last step is to test alignment. You can ask yourself these questions. First, do you like their energy? Second, do you believe in what they sell or offer? Third, do you enjoy solving their problems? And last but not the least, do you picture yourself working with them for the next 6 to 12 months? Now, why am I telling you these things? Because I know that alignment can bring your best work. When you are actually aligned with your market, you can think of better ideas. You work fast and you love what you do. Now, what I want you to do is to decide and commit to one niche in the next 30 to 60 days. And don't worry, because I have a bonus for you. I will be giving you the FMA Niche Identifier Bot. So you will just click the link below and make sure that you have an active ChatGPT account. No worries, you could use the free account and just click on this link and just answer the questions of the bot. And you will get your answers right away. Now, before we end this video, I also love to talk to you about profile optimization. The first social media account that we will be talking about is Facebook. So here's everything that you need to optimize right after watching this video. First, you need to update your cover photo. Your cover photo should have or reflect your niche statement and make it clear that you are actually delivering funnels. Number two is, of course, your profile photo. You need to make sure that it is professional, that you are looking at the camera, you are not sideways, and you are not far from the frame. We need to see your face, and your face needs to be smiling. Third thing is your bio. So you just have to update it with what you do. So you could actually put your statement right here. And fourth, your links. Remove anything that is not related to what you're doing right now, and even your relationships. You could already remove those things. This is going to be a professional profile. Fifth is your featured stories just below your bio. You can use your stories to sell. I will be teaching more of that inside a course. And lastly, your pin post. Starting today, we have to be more intentional in what we are posting. So your first post needs to be about what you're doing right now. It could just be a photo of you working and telling them that you are now a funnel designer. And don't worry, because we have the Canva cover photo template below that you can edit so that you can change your cover photo right away. So here's your progress activity number 2. Make sure that you work with your progress group on this. First is you have to create your I help statement. We have the FMA Niche Identifier bot to help you with this. Second, optimize your Facebook profile or any social media platform that you prefer. And third, of course, check in with your progress groups. So that's it for this video. Make sure you don't just watch, but implement. You are here for a reason, and you will only get results when you take action. See you in the next video.
Okay, there we go. Let's see here. So we're going to drop the link to the niche bot. Okay. Now, for those na gusto ring makita saan yung niche bot natin inside Circle, you just need to go to the onboarding support. I mean, onboarding space. Ayan. Let me just share my screen. Okay, let's see here. Ayan. So here you will see the onboarding space. Now you just need to go to the 7-day onboarding video. Tapos, go to day 2, picking your niche and profile optimization. Click that, and you will also see the link down here. So FMA Niche Identifier Bot. All right. So how do we use this one? So for this, let's say ito na siya. So when you click, when you click the link, let me just go back. Click natin yung link. There we go. Ayan. So this is what it will show you. Then just click, I'm ready to find my niche. Click nyo lang yan. And then it will generate na. All right. So step 1, what funnel service do you want to offer? Yeah, so here are some options. Let's say I want to do number 1. Okay. So let's type lead generation funnels. Enter. Nice choice. So step 2, let's choose your market. So what topics or industries excite you the most? Let's say I like real estate. So let's type real estate. There. Yeah, real estate is a strong market. So do you have any experience with real estate? Example, work with agents, invested before, marketing for brokers. Let's say I worked with agents before. Agents. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Do real estate agents already pay for marketing? Yes. Pay natin yes. Yeah. That's what we like to hear. Ayan. So which type of real estate professionals do you want to focus on? Let's say I want to focus on the luxury real estate agents. Okay. So let's say here, type natin. There you go. And there we have it. Step 3. I help luxury real estate agents who struggle to consistently attract high-end buyers to generate qualified leads using done-for-you lead generation funnels. Mabilis lang ba? Mabilis lang? Yes? Kaya? Yes. So what do you think about the bot? What do you think? What do you think? Cool, helpful, sabi ni Joyce. Easy, sabi ni Ems. Easy life, o di ba? Ayan, very helpful. And whatever you have here, ayan na ang ilalagay mo sa profile mo. So a lot of our students, they use this na in their cover photo and also doon sa kanilang bio. Okay? It's easy. It's very, very easy to use. You can play around with the bot if you want, right? If you want a different niche after the 30, 60 days na try nyo, if you want another niche, it's okay, right? You can use the bot ulit. Free na yan sa inyo, bonus na yan sa inyo, babalik-balikan nyo na lang. Right? So can I also see, if ever na-try nyo na yung bot, can I also see yung mga I help statements nyo? Let's see nga. Sabi dito ni Didith, I own a boutique accommodation and travel and tour businesses. Okay, help increase my sales. Can I focus? Yes, definitely. Sa own business mo, this will definitely help you. Sabi ni Claire, I help Pilates studios who struggle to attract consistent new members, generate qualified local leads by building high converting lead generation funnels. Ang ganda. Ayan. Sabi naman ni Mark, I help finance coaches and money experts attract and convert qualified leads consistently through strategic lead generation system. Very good. All nice. Right? Ayan. Ayan, keep it coming. Alam nyo na, yan na yun. Ang bilis lang. And that is actually our topic for the niche. Now, for those naman na may mga questions about sa kanilang profile optimization, we actually have a few questions inside Circle already. So let us address that first, no? Let's see. Ayan. So if you want to also send your questions, you can send it here sa chat natin sa Zoom, or you can also put it here sa ating day 2, choose your niche and optimization pinned post, para pwede din namin sagutin kahit after after our live. All right. So here, meron tayong comments. See, gaano ka bilis namin magano dito. Si Coach Darla nagsagot na. Ayan. So let's see. Let me just stop sharing and then just read this out loud for you guys. Okay. So for the niche, sabi ni Christine May, for the niche, pwede bang maging in general, like service providing businesses with social media pages, but no specific type of business? Which means pwede sa mga coaches, pwede sa mga wellness centers, etc. All right, good question, Christine. Now, the reason that we want to specify our niche is because we want to make sure targeted din yung market natin. Because about it this way. Like, if I say na um, I help, let's say, I help coaches um, convert their leads into customers. Still attractive, I help statement, but in this scenario, mapapatanong yung coach, well, what type of coach? Do you have experience or do you know how to help out business coaches versus wellness coaches or finance coaches? Right? Yan yung mga specific na mga tanong nila. Okay. So it would be better if you can specify. Remember, you do not marry your niche anyway, diba? You try to test it 30 to 60 days. And Christine, just like me before, I also tested different type of niches before I got into, let's say, real estate. Right. So before coaches din ako, pero parang sabi ko hindi ito hindi ito effective sa akin. Let me try mga real estate naman in terms of luxury accommodations, mga Airbnb. So yan yung mga yan yung mga nata-target sa US. So the more specific yung inyong niche, much better na meron kayong makuhang inyong clients. All right. So next question from Denmark. Pwede bang FB page na ginawa ko for my funnel business? Yung gamitin ko dito instead na personal FB account ko. Good question, Denmark. I also did this before. Meron din ako sarili kong funnel business page. Pero dead na siya. Kasi ang hirap mag-maintain ng social media account. Napapalit-palit ka. Like for example, have you ever experienced wherein, 'di ba, you have different social media accounts. You have your Facebook, you have your Instagram, you have Threads, you have TikTok, right? All of those you have to manage. Now, if all of those also have your personal and your business, who will manage everything? If you try to manage it all the same time, magkakaroon ka pa ba ng time to also look for leads or to also, cater to your customers? Diba? So think of it as well. Be strategic here. For those na hindi pa nakaka-build ng kanilang funnel business page, right? We do encourage you to use your personal muna. Kasi nandiyan na yan eh. Meron ka ng mga friends dyan. You don't need to build the followings na anymore. You have followers there already. You have your friends there already. Or common connections. Diba? Just the same thing with LinkedIn. I did not build anymore for my funnel page. I just use my LinkedIn profile, diba? To get more leads. Ayan. Those are the questions from our circle. Let's see. Dito naman sa ating Zoom. But I do encourage pag hindi namin napili yung inyong questions here sa Zoom, we do encourage to repost it sa ating onboarding support para masagot namin kayo even after this live session. Okay? Marilyn, mandatory po ba i-public ang FB account so as to get clients? Yes. So that's the short answer. Yes. Ayan. Okay. Sabi ni Denmark, naguguluhan po ako pumili ng niche. Meron something close to my heart, tapos meron naman dapat daw yun in demand or top niche. Yun gawin ko. Di ko na po alam ang ano pipiliin ko. That's a very nice insight. Who here has the same sentiment or who can relate kay Denmark? Yung naguguluhan pumili ng niche. Type 1 in the chat. Same me 111. Ayan. Marami. Right? So in terms of looking for niche, what do you think ang dapat i-focus nyo? Something that you are already acclimated with or aware na? or something na in demand. So type 1 if something you're acclimated with, or 2 yung in demand. One, 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 two, 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 two. Yeah. All right. So mix answers. In demand for now. Okay. One muna. All right. So I'll share you guys my own experience here. So when I was looking for my niche as well, the more effective way or the fastest way to get more results is to go to the part where you're already acclimated with, or talagang meron ka ng background. Okay. Like, for example, if you see na may mga friends ka in the real estate industry, andyan na sila, malapit na lang. They could be your beta, beta clients when you want to test your funnels or you want to create funnels, diba? So, the more that you focus on na something that's already accessible, the more that you will have confidence to also build a funnel. Eventually naman, pag yung in demand is andyan na, and then nahasa mo na ang paggawa ng funnel, mabilis na lang lumipat. Diba? So make sure na simulan nyo muna doon sa part na talagang nagre-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So don't overthink it, right? Don't wag niyo masyadong isipin muna yung in demand, right? Because again, we're trying to build your skills here. And the way that we can build it is for something na doon kayo comfortable na or may access na kayo agad. 'Di ba? All right? So I guess we can do another question, last question. Question regarding Circle login and FMA course login. Can we request to change the email address? I have sent yes. If you have already sent a request, we should be able to see it na sa ating CS team. Okay. Okay, from Gian, Coach, question po. Yung personal FB account ko po kasi ginagamit ko po siya sa dropshipping business ko. Hindi po ba siya maguguluhan since ang niche na pipiliin ko is real estate? Need help. Good question. Anyone here also using their Facebook for a different business? Mayroon bang nakaka-relate kay Gian? Yes, pag online selling po. Yes, me too. Ayan. Okay, ayan. All right. So in this one, the question really is, if you're already having good traction in, or I guess what we can say here is, if you really have a good traction in terms of your online shipping in your Facebook account, is this really personal or your business na, diba? But if you do have a different niche, dahil nasa drop shipping ka, pero gusto mo ng real estate, you can look for you can create another FB account for this. It's really up to you on how you manage it. Basically, it's more like you have to ask yourself, would I be able to manage 2 accounts, business accounts, when I do my funnels and also when I do my personal FB for drop shipping? You have to ask yourself, diba? Because what we're also providing you is insight na ang pinaka-effective or ang pinaka fastest way for you to look for your niche is through your warm outreach na or warm audience na, which is your Facebook connections na, diba? So it's really it's really on strategy. If you also want to say na, hey, I've also aside from drop shipping, I'm also do funnel building now for real estate agents, diba? So you can also spin it that way because that's another skill you have, So, yung mga ganyan. Let's see. I guess for this one, because we're also running out of time, we'll again have more questions entertained inside circle. Please provide or add your questions in the day 2 pin post, so that again we can entertain more of your questions. And also, by the way, for tomorrow, guys, we're going to drop our day 3 video at 8 a.m. Okay? So we're going to drop it ng 8 a.m. tomorrow. So maaga pa lang, makikita nyo na yung video. Plus, Wednesday, because it's a holiday, we do not have any live Q&A sessions. This is why we want you to also utilize Circle for your questions, especially when you have any questions regarding the day 3 video. However, if you want na live yung ating Q&A, any questions for the Wednesday video, we will entertain it ulit on Thursday. All right. So for those na may mga questions about bot, let's see. I think we can try to provide you a walkthrough video inside our onboarding support para guided din kayo. All right? Okay ba yon, Veronica? Yan. So for those not trying to do the or to also access the bot in your sa phone, baka it's also one of the reasons na hihirapan din kayo. So most of the time when we do our onboarding, please make sure meron kayong nasa harap kayo ng laptop or ng desktop. Okay? All right. So I think that's it for day 2. Again, we will entertain more questions inside Circle. And with that, let's see here. And with that, again, thank you so much for being here with us on a Tuesday night. Nakikita ko yung traffic ng EDSA right now. So, tingnan natin kung makakauwi tayo maaga din. Again, thank you so much, guys. And we will see you live on Thursday. All right? See you ulit, guys. Bye!
Picture.
Ay, sorry. Ano pala? Picture muna tayo with the sign na day 2. Naka-peace. Pero parang may balloon ata ako pag nag-peace ako. Let's open our cameras, please. Ayan. Open. Ang gaganda, ang gagwapo, ang fresh. Alright. So, sige, CM Bars.
Hello, Batch Nurture. So, i-off ko lang saglit yung chat natin, okay? Para walang matabunan. Kawawa naman matatabunan. Okay. So, page 1, smile, peace. Page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, and last page. Alright.
Ayan. Thank you so much, CM Bars. And thank you again for joining us tonight. Make sure yung mga progress group nyo na hindi nakasama, kulitin nyo na agad para matapos nyo na itong natin assignment for day 2. Again, happy Tuesday night. See ya!